So welcome back once again to IT Roots Talk. Today we will be talking about bridging the skills gap, how practical learning strategies in data tech training is helping individuals. And we will be exploring how practical learning, industry focused training, mentorship is transforming careers in this digital age. Joining us is an accomplished technical trainer in data analytics, data science, with excellent expertise in Python, Power BI, Tabular, machine learning, and real world project implementation. With a strong background spanning in software development, academic training, and ERP system, she has successfully guided engineering graduates, non-engineering graduates, and working professionals into high demanding technology careers. Her training philosophy combines structured learning methodologies with hands-on application, ensuring learners becoming industry ready with confidence and clarity. Beyond technical education, she has also played a significant role in driving digital transformation in education, empowering institutions, educators, students, and professionals through impactful learning initiatives. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Welcome to this once again a new episode of IT Roots Talks. Okay.
Yes, I'm also excited to be a part of it.
Great, ma'am. Great. So to start with a very simple question that how has been your journey till now actually?
Yeah, so I would like to see that I started my journey very early. When I was pursuing my post graduation, at that time only I got an opportunity to be an instructor. So IT
Wow.
trainer basically. And at that time, the professionals from senior professionals who did not have much background of IT, but suddenly a shift was there, right?
Correct.
You know that there was a period when a shift was there from manual work to an computerized work.
Okay. So automated
Yes.
work.
So at that time, I was entering this field. So many senior professionals it was made compulsory for them to take the IT training. And at that time, I entered into this training phase as an IT trainer. And then I got a chance to work with in the software industry also.
Very good.
Yes, as a software developer.
Okay.
Yes. Then I have worked even handling the ERP system, so being a database administrator. So that was also part of my role.
Great.
A different role basically. And then as I proceeded, I upskilled myself basically to be a data analytics and data science trainer. So now today, as of day, I'm working as a data science trainer.
Wow. So, software development, then ERP systems, then, working as in the academic field actually.
Right, yes.
And plus learning also at the same time, learning also. So, how has this shaped your teaching or pedagogy philosophy actually?
Yes. So here, what I have seen is, I know I can find out, means I can identify that what all things will be required for the students when they go into real life.
Okay.
Our education system doesn't give what is required in real life.
Correct.
They give much of a theoretical knowledge.
Correct.
So where in students what is required, that I have started identifying with this. Okay. And then based on that, I have been trying to shape myself. I have been trying to change the way I teach. I'm going towards more practical training,
Okay.
so that students get benefited from what I am teaching them.
So it's a combination of theory and practical, but with the latest technologies,
Right.
with what is happening in the
Yes.
real world also. Okay?
Yes.
So that's how your training psychology is,
Yes.
or that's the technology, or that's the method what you use. Correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Ma'am, you are aware that in today's world, wherever we go, there is a method which is followed, which is called as fabbing actually.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
So there is features, advantages, and benefits are there.
Right.
So are you using this feature also, or this method also in your teaching process, or in your learning process and the institute where you are working, that is IT Roots?
Yes, correct. I have been using this for myself also as
Wow.
for learning, upscaling. I use that method as well as I use it for the students as well.
Okay.
So features means first I explain the concept, because concept is what is to be understood.
Okay.
It is not to be learned by hearted. करने की चीज नहीं होती है.
Okay.
So first thing that is required is the concept.
Right.
So concept, I first teach them the concept, the logic, the understanding that
Right.
how the things work.
Right.
Advantage of this is once they understand the concept of this,
Right.
they can build their own programs.
Okay.
And how the benefit from this is that in real life or in real situations, they can apply the same knowledge for different things also.
Okay.
Not only for programming or not only for data analysis, not only for machine learning, but even in real life situations, they can understand the concept and then apply the logic. So that is how they get benefited.
So you mean to say that, it's not only just delivery, it is like, you're doing more of counseling also in it?
Yeah,
Showing them a career graph or a career path. Okay.
right.
And plus using that counseling also in your training process, that's what you mean to say?
Yeah, a little bit of counseling will definitely go in, because students which come, they are not all from technical background. Some even come from non-technical background. Some are just curious, that's why they come. But when they see the programming and all, they are afraid of doing the things. Actually, I entered into this phase, wherein people are actually afraid of even touching the systems, computer systems.
Correct. Correct.
So we need to build the confidence for that.
Right.
So counseling, yes. So little bit of counseling and building confidence that don't worry, you will also be able to do this. You will also be able to cope up with whatever is going on. That
Okay.
too goes along with this. Yes, that is there.
So if you're saying this, that, counseling is there, but, we've got all different kinds of people,
Right.
okay, coming from different walks
Different
of life,
walks.
okay. Some get the point, some don't get the point, okay. And in our country, it is very simple that if I have to put it in Hindi, that, कुछ भी अगर हो गया तो सामने वाला रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
Right,
नहीं है,
right,
मेरी
right.
तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यही थी कि मैं चला गया और मुझे जो मिलना था मिल गया, लेकिन मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया. So how do you how do you implement this actually, or how do you handle this?
Now, people who come from different backgrounds, okay, so teaching methodology needs to be changed little bit here and there.
Okay.
जिनके लिए जो भी है, and implementation, if you say, I ask them to carry out tasks on their own. So
Wow.
whatever task is given,
Okay.
they have to do it on their own without the help of ChatGPT, which is the keyword for all the Gen Z people nowadays.
right.
And everywhere they just know one thing, that कुछ भी हो ChatGPT को पूछो, copy करो, paste करो, हो जाएगा. Right? But I try to avoid that. I
Okay.
try to build in confidence that yes, you can do it, you can own it, and even if there are mistakes, it's okay, no problem.
Okay.
So mistakes होते हैं. We are humans. We are tend to do the mistakes. So let the mistakes happen. We can rectify them. Nothing is going to harm as such.
So you believe in your strategy, training strategy or pedagogy, that it has to be creative.
Yes.
It should not be copy cut paste.
Copy cut paste should not
नहीं
be there.
होना चाहिए.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
And technology का usage has to be very minimal.
Not minimum. Technology is built, but what my mentor used to tell me,
Yes.
that if you are entering into field of programming, if you are entering into field of data science, understand that machine doesn't have its own brain. You are the brain behind it.
Wow.
So you have to tell the machine what to take and what not to take.
Wow. That's
So
beautiful.
this I tell my students also, that if you want to be a good data scientist, a good programmer, a good developer, understand that the machine is dumb and you are the brain behind it.
Wow.
So develop on your own. More creative you are, more productive machine will be.
Very true.
So that
very
is
true.
the thing that I try
Very-
to
wow.
implement
Wow.
at my best.
Wow. So with all so much of data available, so much of knowledge available, so much of gyan available
Right.
on the internet, and then chat GPT coming in, okay, I believe there's going to be a lot of challenges because of this. Like
Yes.
for example, today you give them a task actually.
Yeah,
Okay. डेटा साइंस के ऊपर अगर आपने एक टास्क दे दिया, okay, और उनको पता है कि ये नेट के ऊपर अवेलेबल,
Exactly.
ठीक है,
Exactly.
तो वो सिर्फ उधर से डाउनलोड करना है,
Right.
ओके, और आई एम श्योर वो इतना भी एफर्ट्स नहीं लेते रहेंगे कि उसे थोड़ा सा फाइन ट्यून
Change
करे
करे
या
modify
मॉडिफाई करे या अपनी लैंग्वेज में डाले, ये कैसा आप handle it?
Yeah. So yeah, I do get students who just copy paste the things
राइट,
because
और ये आपको पता चलता रहेगा कि
Yes.
that ये स्टूडेंट ने इधर से लिया है
Yes.
और इसे सिर्फ मुझे बताने के लिए या वो टास्क कंप्लीट करने के लिए, वो असाइनमेंट करने के लिए, कंप्लीट करने के लिए आपको भेज दिया है,
right.
ठीक है, या लिंक शेयर कर दी
Link
रहेगी या तो कुछ क्रिएट कर दिया रहेगा, प्रोग्राम क्रिएट कर दिया, तो ये कैसा आप, हाउ डू यू
Yeah.
evaluate this or how do you handle this actually?
Correct. So that tendency is just copy and pasting.
Right.
You don't try to understand what is given.
Very true.
So what I do is I purposely ask them tricky questions
Wow.
based on whatever they have done.
Oh,
And when they are not able to answer, they
Okay.
immediately get caught that this is something that I don't know, ChatGPT has given and I have copy pasted.
oh,
And there even they come to know and they fumble.
okay, okay.
Like in Marathi we call tatapopo hote त्यांची.
Oh,
Right? They are not able to answer.
okay.
And
okay.
then I tell them that, see, you have copied from ChatGPT. That is not wrong. It's okay. Sometimes everybody has to take help of AI. Now AI is upcoming. We are going to take help. Definitely.
Correct.
It is
Correct.
there for your help only. But don't just do things blindly.
Correct.
Understand in depth whatever is given. Try to understand the concept behind it and then put it into your things. That is what I try to tell them.
Okay.
I don't demotivate them to use ChatGPT. Yeah, they have to use because that is what is required in
So
today's
you
world.
recommend that technology has to be used, but in a limited version.
Yes.
In a limited way.
In a wise way.
In a wise way also.
Yes.
Very true. Very
It
true.
is
Excellent.
in a
excellent.
wise way.
Correct.
And learn from that technology, not just use it blindly.
Okay. So when you say learning, it means that the creativity has to be there.
Yes.
Okay, and you follow that what this technology is giving me. That's what you
Yes,
mean to
yes.
say, that you
Yes.
understand it.
Yes.
That हाँ ये इधर से इधर गया है, so I know how this has gone from year to year.
Yes, correct.
That's right.
Yes,
You
yes.
mean to say that?
Yes,
Correct?
right, sir. Right.
Wow.
Very good.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. And now I'm sure there would be a lot of challenges to you as a technical trainer.
Right.
Okay, as an educator. Okay. So what would be your biggest challenges at present actually, because of technology, because of internet being available? Okay, now though we are selling data as if we are selling atta actually. Okay, so
Okay.
ये कैसा आप कैसा ये how do you face these challenges actually?
Yeah, this challenge is there, that how, because everything is available on internet.
Right.
Everything is available freely on internet.
Correct,
rather, I
correct.
would say. So they have a lot of exposure. What I think is the challenge is telling them that yes, it is available for free, but how to use it. They don't know how to use the data.
Excellent, excellent.
So we can guide them that yes, whatever is available for free, you can use it, but in which direction, how it will benefit you. So this is a major challenge nowadays, that how to tell them that yes, use it, but how.
Okay.
This is a major challenge
Okay,
that we are
okay.
going to face.
So you are working on that how concept.
Yeah,
actually.
how.
Okay.
How.
So you might be aware, ma'am, that if the why and the what is clear, okay, the how is automatically clear.
Yes.
Okay. So do you think so that these candidates who come in or these interns who come in, their why and their what is clear?
No, that is the major problem. The curiosity is being lost nowadays.
Okay.
Because they know that answers are available. They are not curious about how
So this
things
is all
happen or
because of
why
technology.
things happen.
This is all because of technology.
No, not actually because of technology.
Or ChatGPT is.
Yeah. Because all things are available so much of free.
Right.
So they have lost the curiosity behind it.
Okay. So you mean to say they are not picking up the correct knowledge?
Right.
Okay, they are picking up
They
either
are
the.
picking up information, not the knowledge.
Ah.
That is the thing. They're
Okay.
picking up information only,
Okay.
not the knowledge behind it.
Okay.
That is the
okay,
thing.
Okay. So that means you mean to say that, if I want to travel from a X point to a Y point, which I can do it,
Yes.
but I'm still relying on technology.
Yes. No, you can still rely on technology, because if you're going to an unknown place, yes, GPS
No, I'm
is
talking about
definitely.
in generic.
Yes.
Actually, I'm talking in generic,
Yes.
not an unknown place.
Yeah.
Not an unknown place,
Yes.
actually.
Even then we put up the maps, so GPS will take you and leave you
Yes.
somewhere, and
Yes.
every time you go with a different road,
Right.
and then you don't understand where you have reached.
Right.
Whereas one road can take you that same place,
Right.
and in a less time also.
Right now in India, ma'am, you are aware that we are in a where we are in a digital age where everything is through mobile.
Yes.
Okay, everything is through online. Okay, and everything is, even our payment systems is now online. Online banking is there. Okay, we are buying tickets online. We are ordering food online. We are ordering normal. Today we had this bouquet coming in online. Actually, I don't mind saying this. Actually, okay.
Right.
So with so much of data being created. Okay, and with all this, how do you see what is the future of data science and training in India?
Data science actually has a very good future, sir. Data science and data analytics in India also has a very good future.
Okay.
Not only in India, worldwide also it is very useful. As much as data we are collecting, we are analyzing it, it is definitely going to help you.
Okay.
Mostly in the fields like healthcare,
Okay.
temperature and this global warming kind of thing, their detection of the things.
Okay.
So that places this data science field is going to work a lot.
Okay.
So I would suggest that yes, data science definitely is a very good field wherein you can learn lots of things and you can implement them to make human life easier.
Okay.
So that way it can be very useful if it is used in
So
various
this
places.
normal concept which is given in the market today that AI and ML is going to take away jobs.
No.
You are saying that it is going to create more jobs.
It will not take away the jobs, definitely not take away the jobs.
Okay.
It is just, it will, if AI used in a proper way, it is going to facilitate our lives.
Okay.
So it has has a good future.
Okay.
And if you keep on upskilling, definitely you are going to be a part of it.
Very good. Very
Yes.
good. Very true. Very true. Very true. So upskilling is one of the major
Key feature.
key feature, you can say.
Yes.
So upskilling, upgrading
Yes,
yourself,
yes.
actually. Okay.
Actually,
Going from
yes, we never stop learning.
We never stop
Even as
learning.
an instructor today also, I have to learn every day.
wow.
And yes, students, every person has to learn every day.
Oh wow! So
Yes.
it's like you upgrade your version.
Yeah.
Okay, from one version to the next version, and
Yes.
then to the next, and it's
Definitely.
till infinity.
Yes, yes. It is a never ending process.
Okay.
You have to unlearn and relearn.
Oh wow, that's and de-learn also.
Yeah. Yes.
So unlearn is de-learning. actually.
Yes.
So there is a learn.
Unlearn is whatever were old methods, you have to forget them.
Okay.
And new methods need to be learned.
Okay. So
That is how.
for example, now if you say this unlearn is C and C++ getting into more into Java
Right.
or Python
Right.
or SQL or
Correct.
some these latest these are technologies or frameworks, ma'am.
Some of these are programming languages.
Okay.
Some of them are the frameworks
Okay.
that we are using. And behind them, the programming languages are working. So
Okay.
frameworks run on a particular programming
So
language.
Python is a programming language.
Python is a programming language.
So now you can say C++ has got replaced by Python.
Yeah, you can say that
You can.
to some extent. Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
And Java would also be a language?
Yes, Java is also a programming language.
Programming
Definitely.
language.
Yes.
So we've got Python and Java coming
is
in.
there.
So now there is a limited use of C and C++.
Yes, yes.
Okay, or that technology has become outdated, you can say.
Yeah, you can say that way
Okay,
also.
great. So, one last thing from you, with almost 22 years of experience of
Yeah.
yours, okay, and varied experience actually as a software developer, okay, and then getting into training,
Trainings.
okay, and plus then getting into education also
Yeah.
as an educator, okay, and then now into once again into training, but with a total
different
version actually,
of,
where you are
yes.
giving real time experiences, the corporate, what is the corporate required. So what would be your advice to all these aspiring professionals or professionals to be actually? What would be your advice?
Yeah, my advice would be that they should never go out of touch. They should keep on practicing.
Okay.
And there should be consistency in practicing.
Okay.
Yes. So daily, at least for an hour, keep a practice. Daily, learn one new thing.
Okay.
Because every day new technology is being introduced. So daily, at least one new thing you can learn.
Okay.
One small thing, maybe if you are not from a technical background, maybe take up a small steps.
Okay.
Learn a small thing, try to apply it, implement it. Try to find out where this can be fit in real life.
Okay.
So everything in my class also, I always give real life examples for whatever I'm teaching.
Okay.
So whatever you learn, it should be applicable in the real life.
In the real life.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is what I ask them. And another most important thing is don't worry about failures.
Okay.
Failures will come along, but failures are the phase from where you learn a lot and you move forward. So never be afraid of that, because nowadays people are afraid that what if I am not able to do? What if I cannot do it? So don't fear about that. Everything is possible, but you have to strive for it.
So you believe in baby steps?
Yes.
You believe in baby steps, you believe in doing a lot of practical activity, okay,
yes.
and you believe that you should always be continuously upskilling yourself,
yes,
okay,
definitely.
you believe that you should be using technology to your advantage actually,
yes,
okay,
yes.
rather than just seeking information. You need to seek knowledge
out
through
of it.
through technology or with the use of technology.
Yes,
actually, you believe
definitely.
that the data science, data analytics, AI has got a lot of scope in India.
A lot of scope, yes.
In India.
In India, yes, definitely.
And overseas also.
Overseas also, definitely.
But we'll keep it to India actually, as we are Indians actually. So in India there is a lot of
future is there.
Lot of future is there for all these technologies actually.
Yes.
And you see that these technologies will also upgrade themselves sooner or later actually.
Yes, definitely. They'll upgrade.
Wow, great, great. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming in and giving us such an engaging and insightful discussion actually, okay? And where you have clearly highlighted that, there has to be a thoughtful blend of practical learning, structured methodologies, and the right mindset also.
Right,
that's
mindset,
what you spoke about, having the right mindset, so that you play a very transformative role in shaping successful careers in this competitive landscape, in today's competitive landscape actually.
Yeah, actually, I try my best. Wow. I hope it helps others.
No, I believe your perspectives on training, mentorship, and learner-centric studies are going to provide immense value to the learners actually, to your candidates actually, okay, and also bridge the skill gap actually.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much once again, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
And we appreciate that you took out your time from your busy training schedule. When I walked in, I saw that you were in a session actually.
Yeah, actually, I was in a session.
Yeah. So thank you so much for taking out your time and giving your powerful insights to us.
I will always be happy if I'm able to help others. So thank you for this. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Have a great day. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.